Ajipsor la sabse pola khubur team Changsao Thangjam Setchang Chang Women Organization Khantu Domestic Helper Student of Class 9 Mukuk Chunti Mara Marik Hatsa Hogina Thaka Opur Kandem Kugina Awas Uthai Diya ase CTS Khan laga release ti Hatsa Toli June 7 tarik Mukuk Chun Town ti Mushitula wife of Naku Cholenbra Jaborjosti Class 9 student opor hatsa commit kugena thakya koyase itukani organization khantu inika incident civilized society team awareness and sanitation program loigena prevent kurbo kani phapna te ahilepi ulai thakya tu hatsa opor shock and mon bekha experts kridia ase itukani CKS khantu law enforcement agency khanki accused opor immediate action logina bail krubole napara hesabte section of law hesab book kurgina saza uthai dibole kodiya ase aro hatsa oporde chang vidoshi setchang khan brapi kandem kurgina awas uthai diya ase khoborte konyak baptist kumingkong bengjum church association KBB khantu June 13 tarik Kizi town team Haiwang konyak Jaborjosti Muraidia opoti executive secretary press statement issue kri digena itu fraction laga chamla rukhi jabole awas uthai diya ase KBBB release ti Naga Christian Khantu alag fraction of Naga brothers khanki ekjon bra ekjon oporte map kura baji kurgena thaibole appeal kri aja sholipi nahuna nishna chipchap bohigena poila nishna bloodshed ane ase itu kani KBBB Khantu rival group khanki appeal kri thaga tu itu bloodshed adat chargena peaceful environment maintain krubole like kodi shekili ekdin isobra scrutiny krubole thakan mite kodi ase aro KBB Khantu fraction machete dialogue and Naga brothers machete reconciliation kurlogina isor ageti killing and bloodshed rukhi jabole kodi ase aro ja kali Father's Day laga namti pathana kri digina itumonduk situation te family khan ki takot kri dibole isor ke mangi dise ko ase khobor te itubar laga summit ti 90 country opor nation bra ahina peace summit te attend kulo sholipi Russia khan absent kuriena 80 country khan bra Ukraine territorial integrity support kuriena world country macheti shanti anilobole papna kri dise ko ase BBC khobor dia asapti Ukraine territorial integrity support dia country country US UK Germany France Japan Canada Australia Italy and Turkey aro key nation of India Saudi Arabia and UAE country final documents ti sign kurana ko asa aro Russia China country country summit ti absent kudi shekoina report pailoya ase Manipur Chief Minister N Biren Singh laga convey gari June 2 tarik attack hatsa opodi Chief Minister Kandem Kurgena ta laga state ti inika hatsa tu sorom ekta ase ko dishekili ta laga convey gari tak attack kurgena ja thaka tu sobse biya aro tai opoti direct attack ani thaka nishna ase ko dia ase Chief Minister laga statement ti itia Chief Secretary bra hatsa opor thorough investigation chuli ase aro Gangkopi district ambush hatsa ti convey driver opor jokhum kudigina currently treatment rakhiloi ase aro Central State Forces deploy kuri dia miti situation ajikali thanda kuri loi ase ko gena khobor dia ase